appreciate you though. Okay, so what we're going to do is create a sarcomere, and we are going to do the contracting. So we're going to start out with our chairs. We're going to put our chairs right here, and then we're going to put another chair over here. What do you think they represent? You can just keep filming over here. Yeah, you don't have to. I don't have to do anything. Okay, these are the Z discs. So we're going to scoot this in here a little bit. All right, so I'm going to put this right here. All right, now, Mara, I want you to come and stand next to the chair and hold on to the chair and do not let go no matter what happens to you in a minute. Hold on to that. Okay, Jada, you're going to come do the same thing. You're going to be over here and you're going to hang on to that. Do not ever let it leave your side. Okay, Aviana, will you go hook arms with Mara? And Rowdy, will you hook arms over here? And Zamiley can be over here. And Quincy can be over here. And Maddie can be over here. And Renee can be over here. And you're going to link arms. Oh, that just worked out good. Okay. All right. So now, what have I created? What are the girls? They are the actin. They are the thin filaments. Okay. But don't they need myosin binding sites? Yeah, they do. So, make some myosin binding sites. What do you think you're going to do? Go like this. All right. Okay. Those are your myosin binding sites. But aren't your myosin binding sites supposed to be covered with something? Tropomyosin. Okay, so, okay, good. All right, so here is our tropomyosin, and I have little loops in my tropomyosin. What are my little loops? Troponin, yay! Okay, so every one of your binding sites has to hold on to rope, okay, but not a loop. So don't hold on to it, so yeah, okay, so there's that one. And then, you guys will do the same thing. Yep. Not the loop. Okay, good. All right. Now, what? Ooh, that's awful big. Take one big step in. Good. Okay. Yeah. Bring the chair with you. Okay. And then come. You guys just come out a little bit from the. Yeah. Okay. Good. All right. Okay. So now, what is this right here? H zone. Good. All right. Now, what do we need to make? A thick filament. Okay, Hayden, you're going to come and you're going to stand. Oh, so come over here. Okay, so you're going to stand right here, face forward. Okay. Now he is in the middle, so he's our what? He's our M line. Okay. So now TJ and Jake and Tommy and Grayson. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so even yourselves on the sides of Hayden and link arms. No, he doesn't bite. Okay, well, I don't know that personally, but I'm assuming he doesn't bite. Okay, all right.
I've known Hayden for a while, I'm pretty sure. Maybe.
Okay, so now these are what? Thick filament, and each one of them is a myosin molecule, and they need binding sites too, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, there you go. Okay, so I know, this one, that doesn't play. It's broken. Okay, so then Brinley and Jocelyn, come over here. Oh, we have the perfect number of people today. All right, now I need you guys to take a step forward. Right there, perfect. Okay. All right, so now, Jocelyn, you can be on this side. You're calcium on this side. In just a minute, you're going to pull the tropomyosin. I don't have, okay, I get to do it then. I needed one more person. Oh, well. And Brinley, you're going to be calcium on this side too. All right, so first of all, I need ATP. So whenever a muscle cell's at rest, the ATP is going to touch it. We're going to go to the binding sites, which are right there on the shoulders. And what's that going to do to your hands, guys? What do our heads do when you get myosin? Not yet. No. No. Before they send your hands out here. So your hands have to go out to here. Good. Except that. Yeah, that one does not explain. All right. So whenever ATP comes to you, by getting touched on the shoulder, because that's what I'm going to be doing, but on the other side, then you're going to reach out and grab onto a myosin binding site on a girl, okay, so, but not yet, no, not the rope, okay, because she's bound, so she can't, but you have to reach out and grab one of her hands, and, oh, let's get you overlapped just a little bit more. Okay, because I don't have as many ones, oh, wait. Go. Okay, right there. Perfect. Okay, so now when you get your ATP and when the tropomyocin's out of the way, you're going to, boys are going to reach out and grab onto a girl. And how far are you going to pull it? Don't do it yet. How far are you going to pull that girl? Just to here, right? So she's not going to move very far, is she? And then what's going to come along so you can so that you can let go? Another ATP. And so as soon as you get hit with another ATP, what are you going to do to the girl? Let go and reach out. Good. Okay? And then what are you going to do simultaneously? And I'll do the same thing over again till you get to here. And so will you be holding on to the same girl every time? No, because you're going to reach out, grab one girl, pull her in, and then you're going to reach to the next girl and pull her in, and so on, and so on, and so on. Okay? So we're going to try this. When I say go, you guys as calcium are going to grab onto the loops of the tropomyosin and pull them off, so just take the whole rope with you. But you're going to grab onto the loops and take it out of the way. Because right now, can we do any binding? No, no binding can happen at all. Okay, and I'm the ATP. Okay, so I have to go back here twice.
We're not grabbing the loops.
No, because this is Mr. Capulet. Do you want to mess with him? No, you don't want to mess with him. So you grab the girl's hands. Yeah, just grab onto the loops and pull the whole rope off of them. Okay. All right. Are we ready? Do we have any questions? Any more questions? Okay. So I'm ATP. So where are your hands? Out. Okay. And then. Okay. Now calcium is released. So calcium, grab the ropes out of the way. And as soon as the rope is gone, boys, reach. Reach a girl, grab a girl. Grab a girl, get all the rope out of the way. There you go. Grab a girl and pull one spot, no, to the middle. Not that far. Okay, go with her. Yes, there you go. Okay, did you got it? Stop. Okay, now you got to let go. Put your hands back out again. Okay, grab the next girl. And pull. That's the same girl. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, can you go any farther? No, because what did we just lose? The H zone. So however long the H zone is, that's how far you can go, right? Okay, so go back, relax. Oh, ATP, sorry. Okay, ATP. Let's go a little bit farther. Let's make you contract a little bit more. Okay. All right, so ATP. Oh, put the rope back. Okay, so now the rope is back. So now can you contract anymore? No. Okay, you can't grab anymore. All right, so that's when your brain says no more signal, and all the calcium is going to go back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum, and the rope will slide back into place. All right, so now the brain sends another signal. We depolarize everything. The calcium comes out. Calcium comes out. ATP gets. I don't ever have to play. Okay, ATP comes out. Pull the rope off. Okay, reach and grab who you can, and then pull. Stop, because you can only go to there. Okay, ATP, let go, reach and grab the next girl. Okay, good. All right, stop.
Okay, I get it.
Okay, ATP, let go. Now reach and grab the next girl. Okay, too much ATP. Okay, good. All right. Okay, now ATP, relax. All right, so now, let's do it one more time. We're just going to pretend you get ATP every time. Put the rope back. Okay, so now we have to really produce a force for real, right? Hello, because I have a load on the other end of the muscle. So now you're not really going anywhere, are you? Because you're the what, Maura? The origin. You're the origin. Jada is the insertion. I'm the thing that's going to move, okay? All right, move me. Yeah, hold the rope out of the way. Good. Okay, and then, all right, ATP, 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 ATP. Okay, and then pull, and then, woo, look, it worked! Yay! Okay, let's do it one more time. Put the rope back. Did we go too far? I don't know. Oh, okay. This is good because we're gonna have to talk about this is our next Phil's lab. Anyway, what if so we were at a good length before, right, to produce a force. What if we're like, go way back there, go way down there, go way down here. Come here, girls. Okay, now, Grayson and Tommy, can you grab onto anybody? Barely. So how much force are you going to produce if you stretch a muscle too far? Not very much. Okay, now scrunch real close. Girls, just, sorry. Okay, now wait, just give us just a little H zone in there. Okay, now, how much force are you going to produce?
Oh, I guess not very much.
Really? How far do you get to go? Not very much. So what if you have a muscle that's shortened already? Will it be able to produce a lot of force? No, so what is best?
In the middle.
In the middle, okay, so optimum resting length is right there where we get the proper amount of overlap. Okay, now do it one more time. Calcium. ATP. Okay, ATP. I'll just keep going. Woo! Yeah, look at all that force you produced. It's a good thing these chairs roll really easily. Okay, does anybody have any questions? Yay! Okay, thank you, Kayla, for filming our experience.